Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you on how to register your Face ID, your fingerprint, your passcode and the OVO Smart card on the OVO Smart Lock, and also how to delete them. So this is the step for you to take. Touch the lock and then tap on star and hash button.
1. Create new user. 2. Delete user. 3. System settings. 4. Install set. 5. Record query. 6. Factory reset.
When you tap on it, you select one, which is new user.
Operation succeed. User 0, 0. 1. Enroll on finger, password or card. 2. Enroll on face.
So when you come to this point, you create register key, which is 1. Enroll on face is for you to add your face. So we select 1.
Please enter the secret key
in order for us to add our fingerprint, passcode and smart card. So when you come here, you put your fingerprint, anyone.
Please enter again. Please enter again. Please enter again.
3.
Please enter again.
4.
Operation succeed.
So you put your
1.
fingerprint
Enroll
5
on finger,
times.
password or card. 2. Enroll on face.
Again, you can tap the start button
1.
to go back and then
2.
tap
Delete.
1
Please enter
to
user
go
ID.
forward. And then it will show you the user ID here, 01. So you tap on hash.
Operation succeed.
When you
User
tap on
0,
hash,
1.
you tap on
Enroll.
1,
Please enter
register
the
key.
secret key.
So you can now put your passcode, the passcode that you want, and then put hash.
Please enter again.
It will ask you to enter it again. You put it, followed by hash,
Operation succeed.
and then
Enroll on
succeeded.
finger,
So
password
you
or card.
tap
2.
star to
1.
still go
Create
back,
new user. 2.
and
Delete
then
user.
you
3.
tap 1
Please enter
to
user
create
ID.
new user again, and it will ask you for user ID, this time 02. You tap on hash,
Operation succeed.
and
User
then
0, 2. 1. Enroll on finger, password or card. 2. Enroll on face.
and then you tap on 1.
Please enter the secret key.
So you bring your card and then you add. Just
Operation succeed.
keep the card in front of
1.
it and
Enroll
then you
on
add
finger,
the card.
password or card.
So that
2.
is it. So if you want to register the face, we click on 1, which
Please
is new
enter
user,
ID.
and then it will ask for the user ID. Now it's showing 03. We tap on hash.
Operation succeed. User 0, 3. 1. Enroll on finger, password or card. 2. Enroll on face.
And then we select 2 to register face. When we tap
Please
on 2,
register face.
it will ask you to register face. So right now you have to
No
position
face detected.
and then turn the lock. You have to face the lock for you to register the
Operation
face.
succeed.
So
1.
right
Enroll
now
on
that
finger,
we've registered
password or
face,
card. 2.
it has
Enroll
told
on
us
face.
that we've succeeded. So these are the steps on how to add your fingerprint, passcode, smart cards and facial ID on the OVO Smart Lock. And I'll be showing you next on how to delete any of the users that you don't want to have access into the OVO Smart Lock on the next episode. Thank you.